Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the playback feature on VSeeBox. So first, turn on your VSeeBox and open the Heat Live app. Then start watching any live TV channel. And while the channel is playing, press OK on the remote to bring up the regular EPG or press the EPG button to open the classic guide. Both guides allow you to access programs that are available for playback. As you can see, some channels have an icon showing that playback is supported while others do not. So you're going to find a channel with the replay symbol beside its name. Only channels with the icon offer the playback feature. Once you find one, press the right button on the remote to browse earlier programs on that channel. You can select a date from the previous 7 days depending on what is available, and then choose the program you want to watch. Highlight it and press OK to begin playback. While watching, press left to rewind or right to fast forward. You can also press OK to pause or continue the video. To leave playback, press the return button once to bring up the guide. Press return again and you can choose whether you want to go back to live TV or stay in the guide. If you don't see the replay icon, that channel most likely doesn't offer playback since this feature is only available on certain channels. Some channels provide a 7-day replay option, but older content is generally limited to the previous 7 days and availability depends on the channel. Keep in mind that certain programs may also have playback limitations. If fast forwarding isn't available, there's usually nothing you can change to enable that. And that's how you can use playback on VSeeBox. I hope this guide was useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.